In the previous video, we explored detection engineering. Now we dive into a crucial modern approach, detection as code using Sigma rules. This provides a standardized, portable, and scalable way to write security detections across all enterprise environments. Sigma is an open, standardized rule format for detection logic, serving as a universal language. Instead of writing separate rules for platforms like Splunk, Elastic, Sentinel, and QRadar, analysts create one Sigma rule that converts to all of them. This eliminates vendor lock-in and ensures easy sharing and standardization across teams. Sigma rules are written in human-readable YAML syntax containing defined sections. These building blocks include the title and description, log source, detection logic for suspicious behavior, and conditions and tags for setting thresholds and mapping to MITRE, ATT, and CK techniques. Effective Sigma rules balance accuracy, context, and operational usefulness, minimizing false positives. Focus areas include detecting PowerShell abuse, credential dumping attempts, ransomware behavior, and suspicious network activity like C2 beacons and lateral movement. Sigma's strength is its ability to translate a single detection into platform-specific queries, eliminating redundant rule creation. The Sigma CLI and backend integrations automatically generate native query syntax for your target SIEM, ensuring consistency across various platforms. Detection portability means security detections operate across different environments without complete redesigns. Sigma ensures your detection logic survives major transitions, such as changing SIEM platforms, merging environments, expanding cloud infrastructure, or adopting new security technologies. Sigma rules embed ATT and CK references, linking detection logic to specific techniques like PowerShell. This enables better detection organization, aids in threat hunting by prioritizing gaps, and improves society visibility for reporting detection coverage to leadership. Detection as code brings software development principles into security, transforming how teams manage and maintain detections at scale. Compared to the manual, siloed, traditional approach, detection as code is version-controlled, standardized, and ready for enterprise use. The modern society relies on an interconnected ecosystem. This involves threat intelligence integration to enrich detections, detection testing and automation using tools like Atomic Red Team, and cross-functional collaboration between various security teams. Key takeaways include mastering Sigma syntax and rule creation, leveraging SIEM integration, and ATT and CK mapping. These skills are essential for building scalable, standardized detection engineering capabilities in modern cybersecurity defense. Next, we'll explore incident response fundamentals.